Morning guys, it's Kobus, our camper dream. I'm sitting in my bed, this is my view. There's the river. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, we had a lekker night's rest. My lovely wife is still here next to me, drinking a lekker coffee I made for her. And yeah, there's her view. There of the prairie. Now we must mow some lawn today, check there. It's getting long, eh? And yeah, there's the house. We must do some bit house cleaning, Nana. And yeah, lekker. Like and subscribe, guys. What an 8 ek sê.